We're gonna be doing some magnet fishing. To do magnet fishing, you need a lake or a pond and a magnet. Got my shit don't fall in. Whoops, got a lot of rope. See how deep it is. I was sinking. I had this quirky right there. It was slimy. This is a slimy lake. Well, I caught some mud right there. Wash that off. Nope, it's not coming off. Maybe this wasn't the best idea to do this here. Toss it in again. Oh boy. Well, I would not be jumping in this if I was anybody. Oh. I don't know what I'm expecting to catch out here. It's just a swamp. This was in a swamp. I got some of my. Oh yeah, this ain't gonna give me anything. Lefty. Whoa. This is just showing me what the bottom of a swamp looks like. And it's not pretty. Alright, well, I'm changing locations. And a little bit of chicken fry. Cold beer on a Friday night. And we got a tube. No, that's a branch, never mind. Nobody would throw anything in a swamp, right? I mean, maybe a gun, that's what I'll probably find out here. Here we go. Through the trays. I got some in my mouth. I got some swamp water in my mouth. And a little bit of chicken fry. Oh, I thought someone was back there. Look at that. Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? That's what you get when you're magnet fishing a swamp. I think that's enough messing around for today. I got to do actual work now. Anyway, found nothing.